This is part 2 of explanations of body paragraphs. So I was just talking about this works cited page. Notice that it's down here. I just keep it updated as I go. I think that ends up being a lot faster than saving it all for the end. But we are right here in our topic sentence. Using the death penalty removes any chance of prisoner rehabilitation. So in Norway, once a person has been to prison, only 1 in 5 end up repeat offenders. Compare this to prisoners in the United States, where roughly 3 out of every 4 return within 5 years. I want to add that. This is due to Norway's ability to enact restorative justice, or recidivism. So now I'm going to go to my orange analysis. So I'm trying to explain how this evidence fits into this using the death penalty removes any chance of prisoner rehabilitation. So I'm going to say if the United States, okay, I have to look up whether or not the United States should be, what part should be capitalized. I know I should know this, but I just don't right now. The United States. Okay, so I really should not be capitalizing the, which I think I did earlier, right here. All right, if the United States focused on becoming more focused on rehabilitation rather than punishment, then we can say something like, well, I can't say we, but I could say like U.S. citizens. Oh, wow, I can't spell. U.S. citizens would be healthier and more productive. In order for the justice system to become rehabilitative, it must analyze the harmful effects. I'm just going to say the ineffectiveness of its capital punishment laws. All right, so now I have topic sentence, evidence analysis, evidence analysis. So now I have this entire paragraph written. I'm just going to take it out of its outline, just like this. Hopefully by scene 1, you can see how we go about doing this topic sentence as well as this topic sentence. But yeah, it ends up being fairly long paragraphs. Usually it takes up like anywhere from half to 3/4 of a page, which is about right. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. Make sure when you are introducing evidence that you are using context and lead-in when necessary, as well as shortening quotes just to a couple words. Never use a quote that's more than like 25 words or 2 full lines, like this much, just because, again, it's making it so that your essay is relying too heavily on direct quotations. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day.